In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from MoneyGram to EasyPaisa. So to do this, first just go and open up MoneyGram and then click on Send Money in the bottom. From here, for the receiving country, you just want to select Pakistan and click on it. From here, for the payout method, you want to select Wallet. And then here just choose how you want to pay for the transfer, and you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Then here just pick how much you want to transfer, for example 50 euros, and then click next. Now then here you will see all of your previous receivers. I don't have any, so I'll just click on add new. And now here at the top you will see wallet type. Now to send to EasyPaisa, you just want to click on wallet type, and then here all the way at the top select EasyPaisa. Then just enter the recipient's phone number associated with their EasyPaisa account, then the relationship you have to the recipient, and then finally their gender. Then click validate and save, and then they will check if it's actually an EasyPaisa account, and then you can just go and pay for the transfer, and then the money will be deposited directly into your recipient's EasyPaisa account. So now you know how to transfer money from MoneyGram to EasyPaisa. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.